And obviously, let's talk about topics. You can just create a new topic. You can paste in information or type in something. Let's go to. I don't actually know if it'll render from Happy Me Games. I'm not sure what the link would say. So if I went to a game here, maybe Ships and Monsters, I can just grab the URL. I'm not sure what it'll do. If I can just paste the URL in, and it will look to try and get information from that page. Will it work? Yeah, it did. So it'll give me a link to Happy Me Games. Tell us your top scores. Put in top scores. And that now, there's a link to the game and tell us your top scores, and people just say, 120. In fact, I don't think it'll let me put in that. You've got to put at least 20 characters. Today, beat your score. So you can just paste a link. If you were already in top scores, when you do new topic, it would go to that topic. You can tag people in topics. So I could go pick another game. Easy Fitness. It's not really a game, I guess. It's nice and fast, Happy Me Games, isn't it? I could go here, paste in this. It'll pick it up eventually. It's just Happy Me Games is very slow. I can tag somebody, so I can go add test and tag that user. You could do with using this. Oh yeah, title's not long enough. happymegames.com. So I can tag people in topics. Obviously, you can allow notifications. I'm not going to, but I've got a little link here now saying Paul's just tagged you in. You can give it a like. Yeah, for sure. I'll start it next week. Cheers at Paul, and tag back. So there's a lot you can do, and again, I've got a notification here saying you've been tagged back in, and you've got a like. So creating topics really easy. In my forum or in my training, I'll go into deeper things of functionality. I don't want this video to get crazy long.